I'm going to show you how to make over $100 per day using free traffic and print on demand. If you've been watching my channel over the last few months, you would have seen that I've been absolutely crushing it with print on demand. I make daily passive income by selling different products online, from t-shirts to phone cases. And the print on demand business model is really simple. I create simple designs, I upload them onto one of the thousands of blank products on printful.com. I then list them for sale online, and when someone purchases one of my designs, one of those products, Printful will print it out and send it to my customer, and I keep the difference as profit. Over the past few months on this channel, I've showed you how to master print on demand. I've showed you how to create designs. I've told you which products are best to choose. I've told you how to build a print on demand store. And I've even told you my favorite print on demand supplier, which is Printful, who have kindly offered to sponsor this video. But from reading your comments, the questions that I get the most are, Liam, how can I make sales? What's the best free traffic source? So in this video, I'm going to show you my best free traffic sources so you can start making sales for free. And now is the perfect time to get involved with print on demand. If you're thinking about starting a store, now is the time. We're going into Q4. Black Friday, Cyber Monday is around the corner. We've got Halloween coming up. We've got Christmas. These are perfect times to start crushing it with a print on demand store. So now is the time to master how to do it and master these free traffic sources. So let's dive into it. So the first free traffic source, which I had to mention in this video, is Etsy.com. Now, I have talked about Etsy quite a few times on this channel, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. I actually have got a few more untapped traffic sources that are totally free that I'm going to share with you in this video, so make sure you keep watching. But I couldn't do a video about this and not mention Etsy, because I make a lot of sales from Etsy and using free traffic on Etsy. Basically, if you don't already know, Etsy is a massive marketplace where people sell and buy unique products, usually a lot of gift items on here. There's a lot of personalized products on here, but it's very good for print on demand. And you can connect Etsy directly to your Printful account, and when someone purchases from your Etsy store, it will be automatically sent out. So it's totally passive income. It's a real great traffic source for your print on demand. And the great thing about it is it's totally free. You can get started totally for free. You can create a free Etsy account, and then if you use a referral link like the one in the description down below, you can get 40 listings totally for free. Now, you can run adverts on Etsy, and there obviously is quite a few people running adverts. You still can get sales totally for free. I'm going to show you a few little tips on how you can do that now. So first of all, I like to use this tool here called eRank. You can actually get a free account for this, which gives you access to some of the features. It's called erank.com. And basically what it allows you to do is find what people are searching for and find opportunities where there's not much competition, which is obviously going to help you rank higher, which means you're going to get clicks for free and sales for free. So you can come here and you can actually search different keywords. Like, for example, I typed in dog, and you want to scroll down here and look at the competition. So for example, some of them have got a lot of competition, like dog mug has got a lot of competition. It's probably going to be quite hard to get free traffic to that because there'll be people running adverts. There's a lot of other people ranking. But if you go down here, there's like this one here called skull dog mask. It's a lot more obscure. It's a lot more niche. It's not going to have as much search. It still gets like 1,600 searches a month in the USA, but there's only 250 people competing for that. So there's an opportunity for you to be seen. So that's why I would use this tool. If you don't want to use this tool, another way that you can actually rank is just by coming to Etsy, and you just need to think of more long tail keywords. So for example, if someone's searching for dog t-shirt on Etsy, if you used to rank for that, there's 124,000 people also going for that keyword. So that's going to be very difficult with free traffic. But what you can do is narrow it down and be a bit more niche. So you could go for red dog t-shirt. And then you see there's only 13,000 people. That's still quite a lot. But then it could be potentially like red t-shirt for kids. And then we're going down to 1,600 results. So that's how you do it. That's how you be seen on Etsy. You need to go a little bit more niche, go for more obscure keywords, which obviously won't get as much traffic, but you'll start getting some sales at the start. It will help your Etsy store rank higher. You'll get reviews, and it becomes much easier to go for more of the competitive keywords later down the line. So that's Etsy. The next free traffic source, which I think everyone should be utilizing if you've created a print on demand store, you should definitely be using this because it's an awesome free traffic source, and it is Pinterest. If you don't know, Pinterest is basically, it's kind of like a place where people share inspiration and find inspiration for products, usually like home decor, sometimes fashion and things like that. And people can kind of share images that they've seen, or they can share photos around the house. so they can share products that they found online. And if you've created a print-on-demand store, say on Etsy or Shopify, then you can start sharing some of your products on here. So people might come onto Pinterest and they might be thinking, I want to have my spare bedroom upstairs designed in a cat theme. Some people are like that. So then they might come in and say, I want to look at some cat cushions. So they'll search on here for inspiration for cat cushions. And then here is lots of pins which people have shared. So some of these lead through to products. Some of them are just like inspirational, different things or things that people have created. But you could actually create a Pinterest account and you can list your pictures of your cat cushions that you created on your print-on-demand store on Pinterest. And if someone's going, oh, I quite like the look of that, they click on it, and then you can have a link which leads through to your Etsy store or your Shopify store, and people can buy it. And these are people that are ready to buy because they're thinking of designing their room in that theme. They're looking for products, and you can link them through to your stores. So yeah, Pinterest is a real great free traffic source that you should definitely be utilizing. The next free traffic source is probably one of my favorites because it's one of the most untapped. People don't really speak about this that much online, especially in regards to print on demand, and I think you should definitely be utilizing this one as well. And it is Facebook Marketplace. Now, obviously Facebook Marketplace has lots of like products like furniture. People are trying to sell an old sofa or an old desk or an old fridge freezer, but actually there's quite a big market for gifts on Facebook Marketplace, and specifically kind of personalized gifts. I think it's because it kind of attracts a lot of people that have got their own businesses and they're kind of selling like personalized candles and things like that in their local area. So people come in here looking for gifts and personalized gifts, but you could actually use this with your print on demand store. So if you come to Facebook Marketplace, which you can just access inside of Facebook, and type in personalized gifts, you'll see there's actually quite a few people already selling personalized gifts, like these bridesmaid kind of like slippers and bag or something there. They've got personalized balloons, personalized teddies and things like that. So this could be a real opportunity for you to use this with your print on demand store. I think you can go down the personalization route. So actually this is a bit more manual because it doesn't directly connect with Printful. So there's a great opportunity where you could create some personalized products. So for example, a personalized baby t-shirt. We're coming up to Q4, Christmas is around the corner. Maybe it was going to be like baby's first Christmas, but you could offer it on Facebook Marketplace, which says like baby John's first Christmas, if anyone's got a baby called John in 2022. It won't be automated, so you will actually have to go over to your Printful account and actually add in that name and place that order, but then it'll be sent out to that customer. So it is a great way of getting some extra cash from your print on demand store for this kind of untapped traffic source. The next one is eBay. Now, I actually don't use eBay myself, but this is a great one because it also connects directly to Printful, and people again are looking for gifts and products on eBay. So for example, fish t-shirt. There's not actually that many fish t-shirts, so there's probably an opportunity here. You could actually have this as your design. You can connect this directly to your Printful account and get people for free. Again, when we're going for kind of like free traffic with a brand new account, it's all about going for those specific keywords. So you need to go for more niche, more keywords that not everyone's going for. So it could be fish t-shirt, it could be red fish t-shirt, or red fishing t-shirt, or green fishing t-shirt. Kind of narrow it down a little bit to help you rank. But eBay is a real good one, and a lot of people do use Printful and eBay because it all connects. So yeah, definitely think about eBay. Next up, we've got probably the slowest of the free traffic sources, but do not worry, I've actually coming up next after this one is the fastest free traffic source. But this is also a very good free traffic source, which if you master it, you can make a crazy amount of money, and it is SEO. Now, I'm no SEO expert, so I'm not going to pretend to be an SEO expert. I don't do this because I'm impatient and I'd like to see fast results, but I think this is definitely a real good one. And basically SEO, if you don't already know, it's when you're ranking on Google. It's search engine optimization. And if you can rank on Google for free, high up the page, and people are looking for certain gifts, then you can do really, really well. So with this, you probably have to create a Shopify store where you're not actually running on Etsy. You've got a Shopify store. But for example, someone comes to Google, they type in dog mug because they're looking to buy their mum who loves dogs a mug. They come here, and you can create a store just like this one here called dogsy.co.uk, and they've essentially got lots of personalized dog mugs, and you can create a store like this and it will link to your Printful account. this is a great thing because these people here, they're on Google, they're quite far up, they're getting a lot of clicks, they'll be getting a lot of sales for free. And once you've actually managed to rank, that traffic is there coming in. You don't need to worry about it. It's a real good one if you manage to master it. I'm not going to pretend that SEO is easy to master. It does take quite a long time. But if you do manage to do it, you can get a lot of traffic from this. And again, it would be about going for more obscure or niche keywords at the start to help you actually be seen. So kind of find different things that people will be searching for where there's not that much competition on the SEO, and you could actually get a lot of clicks and a lot of sales from that. Now, if there's a traffic source that could probably make you 1 million sales overnight, it's got to be this one. So the next one, none other than TikTok. Obviously, you would have heard about TikTok. It's the place to be at the moment. People are blowing up overnight. But if you tap this into your print-on-demand store, you can make a lot of sales from this. I'm going to show you a few different tips of how to do it. But here's just an example of someone that's doing it. I'll just play this on my phone. A real simple TikTok for a t-shirt. Really simple video that's got loads and loads of views, and that could be leading through to your print-on-demand store, and you can be making sales from that. So TikTok is a great traffic source for your print-on-demand store. Another great tip, if you want to kind of make sales from print-on-demand using TikTok, then head over to the TikTok Creative Center, which you can access on a desktop, and it basically gives you insight into what's trending and what's performing well. So you can look at what videos are working well, and you can kind of copy a bit of that and use that to help promote some of your products. But a real good tip is you come over to this hashtags section here, and you can see which hashtags are currently trending. So FIFA is trending at the moment, so that could be an opportunity to do something around that, but you've got to be careful with trademarks. But for example, Monday is a hashtag which trends quite a lot, obviously probably on Mondays, because this is from the last few days. And that could be an opportunity for you to create a I Hate Mondays t-shirt, use the hashtag Monday, create a funny little skit on TikTok, lead that through to your Etsy store or your Shopify store where you're actually selling this product, and you've managed to get a lot of traffic. You're creating things that are trendy, which people are talking about, and you can scroll down here and there's so many different other trends or hashtags that you can go for, and there's a great way of making a lot of sales from it. So yeah, if you are trying to master print on demand and you want to use free traffic, then TikTok is a fantastic one. If you want another full walkthrough on how to build a t-shirt business for print on demand, make sure you watch this video here, and don't forget you can sign up to my Printful account using the link in the description down below.